Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this video we're gonna do an ab exercise, a variation of ab exercise called the leg raise. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you'll be one of the first to be notified when we put online a new instructional educational videos video about our net method of training that you can do at home. Now, the way we're gonna do it, there's a couple of variations in which you can simply lay down on the floor and you can put your arms beside you and you can just keep your legs kind of straightish up and just lift the hips up and feel the squeeze in your abs. That's one. I find I get much more contraction in my abdominals if I have something to hold on to. So for example, you can lay it beside your bed or armchair or desk. So in this case, I'm gonna use this bench to give me support, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise my leg up, and the movement here is basically I'm lifting my hips up and towards the ceiling and squeezing my abs there, and then slowly coming down. As I'm coming down, I'm not letting my hips completely rest until about there, and again lifting the hips up and squeezing towards the ceiling and squeezing my abs till about there. And again, squeezing the abs, lift the hips up, and keep going. And again, hips up, squeezing the abs. Up. We'll do a couple more. And one more. And then 30-second hold. Up, fight for it for 30 seconds. 5. 10. Squeeze your abs. Come on, fight. 15 seconds. All out. 10 seconds. 9. 5. Ouch. And you're done. Ow. Whew. You can really feel your abs working really hard with this variation of leg raise. So we have another video where you can do ab crunch, this way. Hit your abs from this angle. This is just another angle through which you can work your abdominals. If you have any questions, you can go to our website at newelementtraining.com to learn more about training methodology, training principles. You can shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions, or maybe you like to book a virtual online coaching session. Thank you.